At Addinall Interiors, we pride ourselves on providing kitchen and bedrooms with the utmost focus on quality and customer satisfaction at the heart of every bespoke job. To tell us more about the creative process is one of our past clients and Peter Addinall. From inspiration, consultation, installation and the final product.
Well, I think we went to Peter because of the quality of the workmanship. We've seen a few of the things in the showroom and really loved the style, and also he's such a great fun guy, so we knew that having him in the house would be a great experience.
It was word of mouth really, and word of mouth is my powerfulest form of advertisement, because people, well, you can tell them anything that you want to tell them, you can show them anything you want to show them, but when they can actually see in your house, in your own house, that something's been created to such a high standard and to such a unique way, that's the value really.
One of our friends had a kitchen fitted by him and we loved what he did. The kitchen now, we can't really remember what it was like without living with it. It's perfect. Having a bespoke kitchen for us was something we always really wanted to do, because when we moved into the house we extended certain areas and the kitchen is part of an extension, so you couldn't get something that was directly off the shelf. It had to be something that was functional for us as a family and as our family grew. So it was always going to be a bespoke kitchen really, and I think if you are having something designed for your own space, you've got to go to someone who truly understands your needs, and Peter really got right from the start exactly what we wanted.
That's what I pride myself on, is leaving that job with not even a speck outstanding, and knowing that if another kitchen guy came in or a competitor, they'd be like, oh God, we've got something we really have got something, a competition here.
Lots of the things that we thought, oh, that would be nice to have, but we might not use it, that we put in, we use more than we thought we would. I mean, just having the fridge for the beer and the wine, I know it sounds like a bit of an extravagance, but it's one of the things that gets used more than anything in the property.
Any house in any country and any spectacular mansion, the actual heart of that house is the kitchen. It's the engine room. It provides the food, it provides the smells, it provides the feels. There's no other room where you touch everything apart from the kitchen. You touch the handles, you touch the tap, you touch the hob, obviously not when it's hot. And everything, it's a very tactile place to be. It's the engine room of the house. It's what makes a house a home, is a kitchen. And that's why it's such a special thing for me to leave a customer in a position where she's like, or she or he's absolutely over the moon with it. It makes me feel good that I've made the heart of that home.
Only the best will do at Addinall Interiors. Every detail is measured and nothing is left wanting. We want to turn your vision of a dream home into a reality with Peter Addinall. Bringing the best quality is not easy. However, we are proud to announce that we are in partnership with Bora Hobbs Titanium Hotspot, as well as installing Neff and using Festool machinery, ensuring ultimate perfection. To get started with the creative process, you can visit www.addinallinteriors.co.uk. You can drop by our showroom on 16 Farndale Avenue, York, YO10 3PE, or you can call us on 07887 692 063.